2, 3, let's switch this up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. So today it is the last color from the Aprés Gel X Neutrals collection, and she is in the color Mia. I got her in a natural round short nail shape. And it comes with 150 pieces and 11 sizes, and of course this is 100% soft gel. So if you're interested in seeing the video where I show you all the colors, I will link that right here, and also the other 3 colors where I go more in depth in each color. So let's go ahead and get into Mia. Alright you guys, also too, if you haven't seen this tutorial, I will link it up in the top as well. So I already prepped my natural nails, and keep this for long. I'm gonna pop these right off as soon as I'm done filming this video, and for that I'm using I don't know ready for takeoff peel off coat. So
心般闪耀，每分每秒神魂颠倒。You are so gorgeous, too good to be true. Baby, I can't take my eyes off you. 决定了就是你，想要把你占有，和你在一起，把世界的走遍，永远牵着你的手。Come a little bit closer， 一番激情话先对你说。 不需太多，你我早已灵魂交合。I love you with my whole heart， 从不掩饰我的想法。全世界最爱你，爱你。吃什么，心情会如何，全都一手掌握。没有另一个人像我一样，把你捧在手心，爱你就像呼吸。Baby, there's nothing holding me back. Have a life without you, I'd rather die. 决定了就是你，想要把你占有，和你在一起。 世界的走遍，永远牵着你的手。